Hello and welcome to this tutorial that will show you exactly how to eat a packet of crisps. The first thing that you're going to want to do is to locate a bag of crisps ready for consumption. Thankfully I have this bag of crisps available, but you might have to travel a bit further to get hold of yours. The rest of this tutorial will focus on the eating aspects of the crisps, so I'll let you watch now without me speaking, and hopefully you'll get a good idea of how to do it yourself. Do I seriously have to do commentary on this video? It's just some guy eating some crisps. Fine, goodness. So there's a guy eating some crisps. It looks like he's enjoying it. There's a crisp there. Seriously, this is like really pointless because like everyone knows how to eat crisps. It's not difficult. It's just you put it in your mouth and you eat it. So I don't really see the point. I don't really see the point of me having to commentate on this video, to be honest. There's not a whole lot to commentate on. Anyway, it's just he's eating crisps. That's all he's doing really. There's a few crisps in the bag. He's showing us the bag. He's enjoying the taste of the crisps. He's taking another crisp and he's eating it. This is really pointless, I've got better things to do. I'm sure you have at home. In fact, I don't even know why anyone would watch this video. I don't think anyone's watching. Don't know why they would, unless they have nothing to do. But even if you have nothing to do, you just, you wouldn't click on this video to begin with, to be honest. It's just not worth the hassle. So yeah, he's eating some more crisps, putting the crisps in his mouth. And it seems, what is this? Walker's oven baked crisps. So there's quite a few in the bag. He's getting through it. He looks a bit like a raccoon. Don't really know what else to say. I mean, it's just eating crisps. It's not a whole lot to comment. The reason I don't even know why they got me here, to be honest. Like, pretty ridiculous. Like, you comment on sports, on shows and stuff, but this is a travesty. I've had enough of this. I think he's done anyway, so yeah, he's done. And that is how to eat a packet of crisps. I hope you now have a good understanding of how to eat a packet of crisps yourself and don't require another tutorial from me to break it down even further. But if you do, I'll be happy to make one for you. And if there is any other kind of tutorial that you would like me to do, then please leave your suggestion in the comments section and I will get back to you in very due course. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you then.